Hey guys!
Hey guys! Today we're doing a super fun project. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Holly. This is Sebastian. And we are at Set Apart Health. So if you haven't been at our clinic, this is our chiropractic office.
Yes!
And
you can keep talking. I'll just show them so they can see.
Today is Tuesday. So coming up on next week, Monday, is Valentine's Day. So we're going to do a super fun project today. And we bought a ton of roses. We had Susan, our sweet helper, get a ton of mixed roses for us and put tags on them. And we want to give them to our patients and bless them, because who doesn't want a fun flower on Valentine's Day? And we love...
And it's really not Valentine's Day, but enjoy it before. So
yeah, exactly.
It should last
before
you.
the crazy happens. Sometimes people give someone else a card or a flower, and it's sometimes the only thing they've received for a holiday. So we thought that would be a fun way to bless all of our sweet patients and how much we love them and let them know that they are loved. So let's get flowering.
And it just goes to show the power of flowers, because there's just something when you get something like that. It's so meaningful, they're beautiful. So let's show you what we're gonna give them.
Oh, that's pretty. Okay, ready, set.
All right, so we're on our knees here.
Ta-da! We have assembled these gorgeous flowers, so you can see it's just a fun assortment of colors. I wish you guys could smell them. They smell really fragrant. Sometimes when you buy flowers at the store, they don't, but these smell so good. So we have red, kind of a coral orange, a white with a pink, and a beautiful purple. And then we put, with ribbon, just a little card on here. It says, Happy Valentine's Day. You are loved. We love your nervous system, because we are chiropractors. And who you are, we are so grateful for you, the Set Apart Health team. And 1 John we love because he first loved us. So this was so fun. We had such a blast with Susan. She came while we were adjusting patients and just helped us assemble all this. And they're gorgeous. And tomorrow and Thursday, we are going to let them loose for patients to take one. But yeah, we're just so excited. They're just so beautiful. I actually found a pedal on Sebastian. I think it was in his microphone from handling the flowers.
So I have my mic right here, and then she's like, do you have a pedal on your microphone? I'm like, I didn't even, I barely touched the flowers.
So they're all ready to get handed out tomorrow, which is Wednesday and Thursday, so people can have them before Valentine's Day and just enjoy this beauty. Oh, I love it. That's so fun.
Something about flowers. So someday we will grow a ton. Probably not roses like this. It'll probably be just, we started our mini flower farm last year, so we tested out.
What? The deer ate it. Oh, I'm so mad, but that's okay.
Yes.
We're figuring it out.
They ate her dahlias, and they ate a few other things. So we're still learning in our area just kind of how to, you know, we'd never had issues with deer, so we're getting rid of them, building some deer fencing and stuff. But yes, one day you'll get some, maybe not for Valentine's Day, but Mother's Day.
Yeah.
We would love to have a ton of Mother's Day flowers that we grew for you guys.
That was actually one of our thoughts. We want to do a cut flower garden and have it ready for different events like Mother's Day and cut flower bouquets. So keep an eye out for that if you are local. But
how fun would it be to have just a giant cut flower farm that we can just pick flowers from at any given time for any event and just give flowers to people that come here to Set Apart Health or anybody, you know, just it's just fun to give.
Yep. So we hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and we just wanted to bring you along for the ride because we thought it's kind of fun to see. Who wouldn't want to see putting flowers together? So we thought you'd enjoy it, and we hope you have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye.